kiddos, guess what? It's time to write some words. I want you to get a piece of paper or a marker board and what you need to write with, and pause this video and come right back. Can you do that? All right, I'm going to erase this while I'm waiting for you. This word says hi. Goodbye, hi. We're going to write the words that we see in our special sounds charts. We're going to use them because we need to learn what our special sounds look like. We're going to start with the first word we hear on the first chart. It's duck. D, k. You hear 3 sounds there, but the last sound is actually a special sound. So let's start with what we know. What letter says d, d, d? Write it down. D. For duck, that's a D. What letter says Well, Miss Parris, that's a U. That's so easy as pie. All right, then. What 2 letters go together to say k on the word duck, right at the end? What 2 letters say k? A C and a K. Duck. What's our special sound here? Our special sound is the word k, k, k in duck. What's our next word, Miss Parris? Me. Me. E in me. That E does not have another vowel to make it say E, so it's just a special sound because it says E all on its own because it comes at the end of the word E. E. Me. Go. G. O. Go. G. O. And go. That O says O all on its own, and at the end of the word, it's a special sound. O in go. Go. Fly. Full. Full is actually a special sound. Full. Full is 2 sounds put together. F and L. Full. Let's see if I get that looking halfway decent. Full I. I and fly. You have 2 special sounds here. You have the full sound, and you also have the I and fly sound. We know it more for the Y sound. That Y says I because it's at the end of the word. Here's a hard one. This also is made up of 2 special sounds. It's made up of the special sound purr and the special sound A. Pray. Purr. 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 What do we know? P. R. Purr. A. A-Y. P-R. A-Y. Purr. A. Per. A. Pray. St. St. Stop. St. Aw. P. 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 St. Op. Stop. Circle the ST because it's your special sound. St. Op. Stop. Frog. Fur. Ah. G. Fur. Fur. F. R. Special sound. Fur. Ah. Ah. G. 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 Frog. Fur. And frog. FR is our special sound. Ship. The ship is sailing in the sea. Shh. Shh. P, P, P. Are you writing these down? Are you staying with me? Because you need to be doing them just like I am. What's your special sound? Shh. Ship. Ship. And let's do one last one. This one's going to be our hardest one. It's the word clock. There are actually 2 special sounds in clock. The kul and the k. Okay? What 2 letters say kul? Coal and clock. Coal. C-L. Ah, ah, ah. O. K, k, k. Two sounds make that end of the sound. That's the k and duck sound. Here we have coal for a special sound, and we have k for a special sound. Coal, ah, k, clock. Now we're just done with those for at the moment, but I want you to look up here and read some of these words with me. These are two vowel words. The first vowel says its name. The second vowel says nothing at all. W, what's its name? I. W, I, f, wife. Wife. B, O, A says nothing at all. T, B, O, T, boat. Now at the end of all these cards, I have something to show you that's very tiny, but very pretty. And it's something that traditionally makes music. What do you think it could be? Something that makes music, something that's tiny, something that's pretty, and it takes both hands to use it. Have an idea? Okay, let's see what we got here. We just read boat, so let's try our next word. Try to sound it out and say it before Mrs. Parris, okay? Give you just a second here. B, its name, O, N, nothing at all. B, O, N, bone, bone, bone. I bet you have one or two bones in your body. You have a lot of bones in your body. Name, I, D, E says nothing at all. I, D. Ride. Try to read this without me. Two vowels. I says its name, I. E says nothing. P, I. Pie. I says its name, E says nothing at all. T, I. Time. Time. What time is it? Ooh, here's a hard one. This is a special sound. Q-U together says qua. Qua. Now you have two vowels. The first one says E, second one says nothing. Qua, E, queen, queen, queen. That's a hard word. Two vowels. E says its name. Second E says nothing. E, D. Feed. Feed. I bet your mom will feed you lunch today. P, E, K, P, K, peek. Do you ever peek at your presents? Well, you're about to peek at something really, really, let's read that word, really, really what? Peek at something really, really, eat. Neat. You're about to peek at something neat. Well, what could it be? It is an itsy bitsy, teeny weeny, so small, itty bitty violin. It is a tiny, itty bitty violin. Look how small it is. Do you usually have violins that tiny? No, we don't. Isn't that so cute? Aw, an itty bitty, teeny weeny, itsy bitsy violin. This is one of Jenna's favorite things. Isn't that cute? Yeah, you could take it out. Your little finger very carefully. Does it really play music? Well, this one really can't because it's too tiny. But it is very sweet, isn't it? Aren't you glad you stayed to find out what it was? I wonder if you can spell the word violin. Violin. How do you spell a word like violin? That's very big. Well, you guys are good sounder outers. Let's see if we can spell it real quick, okay? Then I'll leave you alone. What says V? V, v. A V. What says I, vi? Vi, o, vi, o, viol, n. Violin, violin. And a violin makes music, doesn't it? Yeah, these are music notes. Violin. Very good. You guys did a great job today, and I'll see you in a little bit.